look very pretty today, princess. You got flowers on your clothes, and you got flowers in your hair.
What's that?
And you got rainbows on your feet.
What's that?
As a button. That's okay. That's okay. There you go.
Merong animal, hindi namin alam kung ano.
Coming down, look.
It's coming down. Look, what is it? What is that? What animal is that?
It looks like a squirrel. See it?
It looks like a squirrel. May squirrel ba sila dito, guys?
See it? Oh, see it jump.
See? You see it jump? Ay, yung camera ko nagfa-fog. What is it, Ayla? A wow. Hindi ata yung squirrel. May squirrel ba dito sa Indonesia? Nagpa-fog yung camera ko. Good morning! Careful!
Go in. Who's pressing the button now? We're going to go to the top one. The top one. That's it. Another top. Yeah, that's it. No. That's it. Good girl.
How about you? Press! Press! Oh, press!
I press it.
Good job, Arlo. Well done,
Mommy,
Arlo. Yeah, he did it. Oh, nakaabang talaga. Labas. Ang galing yan lumabas eh. Go, Arlo. Go, go.
Sit down, use your spot. What do you want?
Dito na kami sa taas. Dito kami sa labas this time. Our last breakfast here. Dito kami sa labas.
Cereal like that? Chocolate?
A chocolate?
Let's have a breakfast. Chocolate later. Chocolate later.
Nag-order kami iced coffee din. Kasi ilang araw na kami nakakita ng iced coffee. Sabi namin iced coffee. Tapos lagi namin nakakalimutan. And same pa din yung menu. So I'm gonna go avocado toast this time. Naka-order na kami. Waiting na lang kami sa amin. And ang kids eating cereal. Isla's eating chocolate cereal. Arlo's eating rice cereal.
You said you wanted chocolate breakfast and you got your
Nam nam.
chocolate. Chocolate cereal.
Good boy, Arlo. Well done. And the Fambam has checked in. Naka-check in ang Fambam, guys. Today pala ang dating ng Fambam natin. Mamayang gabi. Kasi stop pa sila ng Singapore. Avocado toast. I got a mini waffle for the kids. Bacon. Mushroom. Avocado toast din yung kay Dan. And then the pisang goreng. The maruya, guys. Yummers. With extra caramel sauce. Yeah. Time check. 9:30. Kids are walking to the pool. Arlo, no. Keep going. Go to the pool. Kasi hindi lumiko dito. Dito na yung kwarto natin eh. Up. Good boy. Keep going. Keep going. Follow the daan, ate. Go. Nandyan yung room natin, oh. Tapos dun lang yung pool. Keep going. 12 pa yung check-out dito, guys. And it's only 9:30. So, chillax muna tayo dito sa pool. Hindi na magsiswimming kasi napak ko na yung mga gamit nitong mga batang to. Uy, akit, ayos. Nakahawak siya sa aking dress. Go. Careful. Maganda yung check-out kasi 12. Usually kasi 10. Oh my gosh, look how nice. Walang tao. Careful, Arlo. Buti naka-short si ate. Careful, Arlo. Sus, ang hilig pa naman sa tubig nito. Oh, tingnan mo. Wait, Arlo! Batang bael. No, we're not swimming. We're not swimming, okay? We're leaving today. Na, good luck. Hindi na aalis yan. It's okay. Ang ganda. Walang tao. Pero hindi tayo makaka-picture kasi tingnan nyo naman yan. Kailangan bantayan, kailangan hawakan. Ha? May batang nagwawala. So, balik tayo sa kwarto para magpalit ng swimwear kasi magsiswimming na. Diba? Tayo na talaga ang nasa pool. Kanina pa kami dito, guys. Si Arlo, sobrang nagwawala kanina. Kasi diba gusto niya pool. Tapos pagbalik namin dito na nakabihis na siya, iyak na siya ng iyak. Kasi hindi niya nakuha yung gusto niya agad-agad. Gusto niya nakuha yung gusto niya agad-agad. So, ang tagal-tagal niyang umiyak. Nakausap na namin ang Fambam. Ang Fambam natin, they're currently lining up papunta sa plane. So, boarding na sila. Swimming pool? Huh? That's for swimming later, okay? Go on. Go on. Alis na kami, guys. That's it. Magta 12 na. Siguro mga 5 minutes to 12 or 3 minutes to 12. 12 yung ano namin. 12 namin pinabook yung driver namin. To go to Seminyak. Nagpa-fog na naman yung camera ko. Wait sa. And this boy has been crying for the last 10 minutes. Kasi antok na to. George. George.
Where's that makeup? Where is that makeup?
I got makeup there.
It's mommy.
Not mummy.
It's mommy. It's this.
It's my makeup?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to buy more makeup?
Where's Isla's makeup?
Oh,
Isla needs some lipstick. You need lipstick, don't you, Isla?
You want lipstick, baby?
No.
You want lipstick too? Num num, you want num num. Of course you want num num. Get some
You
sleep.
broke my makeup, George.
Oh no, George! You broke her makeup.
George broke your makeup.
Kaloka, George na talaga yung tawag niya kay Arlo. You broke my makeup, George.
George.
George, come on.
Silly George.
How did he break it, ate? Oh, Arlo's awake too.
Isla, do you want a drink? Monkey boy.
Oh, monkey. Oh, that's cool. Lapit na kami. Siguro mga less than 10 minutes. Lapit na tayo. Dito na kami. Medyo tight lang. Very tight. Ayan. Tadusan. Nakita na namin yung kakainan namin. Doon lang malapit. We're here. Ito lang yung medyo lubak-lubak, babe. Yung sa pram ba. Tinitingnan kasi namin yung road, yung footpath. Sabi ko much better ang footpath dito sa kaysa sa dun sa kapila. Here you go, let's ask him. Oh yeah, maybe na. Thank you. Dito na kami. Nakapag-check-in na. Ang bilis lang.
Stop.
Si Arlo gusto na lumayas.
Isla, stop. Isla, tell Isla to stop.
Stop.
And put your hand out like this to Isla so you understand. It's like this, stop. Stop.
Stop.
Tell him to stay here. Say, come back, baby.
Come back, Arlo.
Good job, mate. He's checking our room. I think it's ready. Ang galing kasi yung buggy. Ano daw kami, pwede kami ihatid sa labas. Perfect, thank you. Ayan na. Punta na tayo. Parang malapit lang. Diyan lang si Kuya nag-check kanina eh. Bye, Alo! Cool.
What room number?
Thank you.
Number 2.
We are here. It's ours? Oh my gosh. We have the whole villa, guys. And look at the pool. Go, Arlo.
Is this all ours as well?
Yeah?
So you have a 3 bedroom.
3 bedrooms?
Yeah.
My girlfriends are coming later, that's all, so we need all more rooms.
How many? Just one coming?
Now I've got 3 girlfriends.
Very lucky man. Very lucky man
my
he is.
sister.
You're right. Yay! It looks really good. Oh my gosh, atin to lahat. Atin yan. Char, atin. Accommodation natin yan. Yay! Buti pinalagyan natin ng ganyan. Oh. Yay! Alright, let's go inside. Yay! How good is this? Hindi lalabas yun si Lola. Dito lang yun for sure. Kasama si Arlo. Thank you. You wanna go swimming?
This is really good, isn't it, Raz?
Yeah.
Kids and
It is really perfect.
and like you can just chill out here.
How good is this? So, hindi included yung breakfast sa accommodation namin, but we can pay for breakfast and they will serve it to us here sa aming, villa. How good is this, babe?
I think it'll work.
They're fine.
Kids, Isla.
Come here, in the room. Check. Come on. Alo, come here.
Isla, come in.
Come here. Check, check, check. Come on. Come on, this way. This way. Look.
Look at the room each. There's one room here for one.
Oh, you're okay. Nadapa agad. Hindi nasanay sa step. It's okay. Just be careful next time, baby. I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. Mommy kiss it better. Mommy kiss it better?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yum. And a cold towel.
Yeah. So tonight, how many person coming? 1.
Now we've got 3 more people.
3 more people.
3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Alo? Oh my gosh, Alo's got the pen and the book already. Pen and paper.
Oh, that's your drawing.
Do you wanna draw?
That's for Isla to draw later.
Ang laki. Ayan, so pagpasok mo, kita mo agad yung pool. So, na-request ni Dan na palagyan nito. Wala sana to. Flower! And we have that. So, atin din yan. And atin din yun. So, nandun yung 2 kwarto. Nandito yung 1 room, which is room namin ni Dan. And kids. So, let's go in here quickly. Why? Yeah. Oh, there's ants in the flower. That's okay, that's okay. I'll kill it. There you go. Dead. Oh, no! Alright, there, baby. Well, good? Yeah. Okay. Do you want to come with Mama? I'll show them the villa. No? Let's show them the villa, okay? I'll go to Daddy. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly and then we can go to Daddy. Wait ito na yung unang kinuha ni Arlo. So here you can relax. Ang ganda guys, ang laki. Ibang-iba sa previous accommodation natin. Meron tayong 2 dyan, you can relax. Meron silang kitchen na pwede kayong magluto. Kaya lang I don't think we will use that at all because we will be eating outside or kapag gusto naming mag-breakfast dito, sila magluluto ng breakfast for us. And here, nandito yung 2 kwarto. So, isa dyan, isa dyan. And they look pretty much the same. Mas malaki daw tong kwarto dito kaysa dun sa kabila. See, ang laki nga. Ang ganda! So, dito either si Mama or ang 2 boys. Malaki to dito. Meron pang ensuite. Ay, bongga. Ang laki-laki. Ayan, nandyan yung toilet. And then sa kabila. Ay, no, before you go out, meron kang closet dito. Dito ang kanilang shoes. You have a safe here as well. And other room. Hindi ata kasing parang same lang ata yung size. Yeah, same yung size. No, very similar. Ayan, shower doon. Sink, toilet. And then same, meron ding closet dyan. And now let's check out our room. How good is this? This is so good. And Isla's got unlimited flowers everywhere. Yay! Yay! It is really good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
The other rooms are really big. Let's check. Oh my gosh, baby. You've got a collection of flowers here. May bumbil. Bumbil ang tawag namin dito. Bougainvillea. Tama ba ako? Bougainvillea basta bumbil. May gumamela. Oh my gosh, parang Pilipinas lang. Yung mga flowers na yan reminds me of yung sa labas ng bahay ni Lola. Let's check this room, okay? Wow. Let's open. Ooh, cold. My TV. Bed, lahat ng bed, same size. I think king size to. And then, may maliit na closet. Ayan, may hanging space. Yeah, mas maliit nga tong kwarto na to. But, okay na, okay na. Nakakaano lang to, oh. Diyan nadapa si Ayla. Tapos medyo maliit yung space dyan. Pero okay lang. Okay na okay pa din. Hindi lang sana yung kids. Ayan, okay na okay. Uy. Yeah, mas maliit nga siya. But very good. There you go. Ito pala yung fit natin today. This dress is from... Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh my gosh, Arlo will love it here. Hi, kids. You guys. How good is this? Are you happy to stay here? This is our room? Here?
Yeah, I think this room's good.
Yep. Yeah, hindi nyo nakita tuloy yung dress ko. It's from Target. Hindi nyo nakita. Walang full-length mirror ata. Step! There you go. Be careful with the steps, okay? There's a lot of steps in this house, in this villa. That's a shower, baby. Daddies and mummies. Yeah, just be careful with the steps. There's steps everywhere, guys.
Very hot.
It's very hot outside, na?
Yeah. Let's
Wow. Oh, Arlo, come on, let's go get lunch.
let's get some sunscreen on and let's get some lunch.
Very nice. Well done, Daddy.
Yeah, it's perfect, isn't it?
It is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for with kids, guys, and big families.
Part of it.
Yeah. This is definitely.
Your own private pool, your own garden.
Yeah.
You see there, it's really good.
It is perfect. Good job, Daddy.
How much is
Galing
this?
naman. How much?
How much?
I don't know how much.
How much?
Hey, hey, Pinoy boy. Oh my gosh, the kids will love it here. You guys like it?
I will do it there.
You want to go there?
Mommy want to do there.
Okay, let's go there, baby. You like it here, baby? You want to play here? Yeah, that's good.
Mama.
Yes.
Hello.
Ayan, may iba pa palang mirror dito. Ganyan kahaba yung dress. Parang midi sa akin. Papuntang maxi na talaga. Ang cute nitong dress na to. May pockets pa. Ang ganda ng quality. Linen ata to. Ayla, can I see your outfit? Oh, so pretty! Oh, wow, wow, wow. I love it. You like flowers? Arlo, who are you calling? Careful, don't call them. No, we're not ready yet. We're not ready to go. Are you calling a buggy already? Say hello, is the buggy ready yet? Careful, guys. I think Arlo just broke the phone.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Did he drop it? Sorry?
Maybe he pressed something. Okay na kami, nakapag-sunscreen na. Tawagan na lang namin yung reception para ma-ready yung buggy. Sabi nila, just give them 5 minutes to prepare the buggy. So, I'll call them. Yung phone natin dun sa kabila, ayaw man mag-work. Dami nating apple juice, oh. 2, 4, 5 man yung apple juice binigay nila. I love it here because the kids love it here. Not yet, right?
Huh?
Na. Hello? It's not working. Hello?
Bobby went the other phone till I hanged up in the other room.
Char, ang bilis ma-ready ng buggy.
I like it.
Careful, Alo.
Where's baby going?
Sitting down. Come on. Do you want to sit at the back with Mama?
No.
Why? No? Okay. Go up. I'll sit at the back here with Mama. Okay, go. Quick. Can you sit down? We're off. Daddy, hello. Hello. He's hot, my love.
I got it.
How
It's
good
holding on
is
to me
this?
now.
He's holding on to you. Cute.
I want to go back to the pool.
You wanna go swim in the pool? We will swim later. We'll just have some lunch. Yung juice nila nilagay ni Dan dyan.
Thank you.
Okay, first meal in Seminyak is here sa Shrimp. Konting lakad lang to from the hotel. Original plano sana is dun sa Mexicola. Alam nyo bang hindi pwede si Dan? Kasi meron siyang
Thank you very much.
Different brand sa kanyang t-shirt. Dapat daw yung brand lang na kinikarry nila. Eh, yung brand kasi different beer sa ino-offer nila doon. So, hindi pwede. Tapos, yung kanilang binibentang t-shirt is 400 is 40, ah. 400,000 rupiah, which is $40. Para lang makakain doon. Next time na lang kapag hindi na wala ng beer logo yung kay Dan.
Yeah.
What is it? Strawberry ice cream. Alam niyo bang order yan ni Dan? Strawberry milkshake. Siya yung uminom. And Arlo's having his mango drink. Mango juice kaming dalawa ni Arlo. Tapos isang watermelon na wala pa. Yun yung kay Ayla sana. Watermelon juice. Nasaan na? Nauna tuloy.
Do you like it, Isla?
Meron din silang coloring book for the kids. Alo. Dito na yung watermelon juice.
I don't want Isla.
Is it yummy?
And have taste this one.
Oh my gosh! It's tasting...
I want to film it.
No.
The mango.
Which one's your favourite? Cherry mango. Which one's your favourite? Strawberry, watermelon, or mango?
Which one do you like best?
I
Ice cream.
That's a strawberry one.
This one your favorite?
think
Strawberry. Strawberry ice cream. Good job, baby. Alright, that's it now. I'm gonna wait for our chips, okay? It's watermelon. Dito na yung ibang food. I got the catch of the day. Baramandi ang kanilang fish. We have crispy calamari, chips, and hinihintay natin yung kay Dan. Dito na yung katsu ni Dan. Parang looks really good, my love. Ay, nako, ang pamilya ko. Sunog na. Tapos na kami kumain. Kanina pa, naglalakad-lakad na kami, guys. Gusto namin pumunta dito. Shopping center ata yan. Medyo malayo-layo na din ang ating nalalakad-lakad. And nabilhan namin si Ayla ng shoes. More comfortable than what she was wearing. Hopefully makatulong. Hopefully mas maglakad siya. I wanna push. Go, Ayla! Daddy do it. Dito na tayo. What's this one? Tapos makita natin yung shoes dun na mas mura. 10,000, 100,000 yan eh. So, $10. Picture tayo dito, I love Bali. What's that? Nakarating na kami dito sa busy na part. But pabalik na kami, guys. Palakad na kami balik sa hotel. Pero ibang direction yung pinupuntahan namin. Hindi kami bumalik dun sa kung saan kami nanggaling. Yan yung gusto kong mga itry. O yung mga street food na yan. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan, baka daw sumakit yung tiyan natin. Hindi naman sasakit yung tiyan ko dyan. Let's go in this one. Meron silang H&M. It's busy.
Ready? Go. Look at mommy.
Superman! I'll take a photo, okay?
Okay. Cheers. Thank you.
Dito na tayo sa Sweet
There's
Thoughts.
gummy bears. Some gummy bears.
Do you want gummy bears?
I might go, buddy. Thank you.
Ooh, lucky girl.
We'll do
You want gummy bears?
We'll grab some, okay?
What else? Ayla, look. What's this? What's that?
What is that?
What's that?
Snake.
Anna? Anna, can you scoop it into there?
Help, Dada.
Be very careful though. Okay, be very careful.
Careful, careful.
I'll help you. Ready?
Wow.
Nakabalik na pala kami sa villa. My fam is swimming habang ako ay nag-i-edit. Hi, baby! Hello, guys! You're in the swimming pool. Are you having fun? They're having so much fun. Alo loves the water. Mommy! Uy, why? Ang galing kasi makakapag-work ako habang nagsiswimming sila. Kasi dun sa kabilang pinuntahan natin, hindi kasi like right outside our room yung swimming pool. So, gusto ko naman silang samahan, diba? Kahit na hindi ako lumangoy, kahit na nakikita-kita ko sila, gusto ko yung ganun. Ayokong maghiwalay kami kasi nagbakasyon pa kami kung maghiwalay din naman kami. Pero dito maganda kasi para sa akin sobrang lamig ng tubig na yan guys. Siguro mga hindi ako abot ng 5 minutes. Nangingisay na ako sa lamig dyan. Hindi din ako magtatagal. So hindi ako nag-swimming. Tapos nakaka-edit pa ako, diba? Tapos nandito lang ako. Kitang-kita ko lang sila. Nandyan lang sila, oh. So far sa na-experience namin, which is not a lot yet, mas gusto ko yung Seminyak kaysa sa Ubud. Ako lang yun ha, na may dalawang maliliit na bata, na may pram. Based din siya sa kung saan kami nagstay sa Ubud at saka kung saan kami nakastay dito. Kasi syempre, dun yung na-experience namin, mas okay dito. Sa experience so far, mas okay dito. Mas hindi ganun kalubak-lubak yung daan. Kasi mahilig kasi kami maggala-gala, mahilig kami maglakad-lakad, mahilig kami magtingin-tingin ng kung ano-ano yung nasa labas. Mas maganda na pram-friendly. Hindi pram-friendly ang Bali sa napansin ko. Kasi maliliit yung roads nila. Kapag nagpa-pram ka, hindi ka kasya most of the time sa footpath or sometimes wala silang footpath. Doon ka talaga sa road, which is hindi safe. Pero, yung mga drivers kasi dito, they give way talaga sa mga tourists kasi alam nga nila na wala silang matinong footpath. So, yung mga tao talaga doon talaga naglalakad sa road. Nag-give way naman yung mga drivers. Pero, yun nga, hindi safe. Hindi siya like 100% safe. Kahit naman saan siguro, hindi 100% safe. Pero yun yung pinakaunang napansin ko. Kung may mga anak kayo, hindi siya ganun kadali. Lalo siguro kung hindi kayo sanay, mas stress lang kayo. Pero para sa amin kasi, importante kasi na na-experience namin. Alam mo yun. Anyway, mag-edit lang ako guys. I don't think matatapos ko to kasi 10 minutes pa lang yung na-edit ko and mahaba-haba tong clips na to. Sige, sige. Bye! Say bye to tita. Bye! Say bye. Blow kisses. Nam-nam. Natawagan ni Arlo yung fambam. Binigay ko sa kanya yung phone ko kasi tinapos ko yung ina-edit ko. And tinawagan niya yung fambam. And nakalabas na sila ng customs. So yun na yung last step. So hinahanap na nila yung driver. I'm pretty sure madali lang naman yung nahanap. May pangalan ko at saka pangalan ng villa natin. And siguro yung mga travel nila is mga 1 oras. 38 minutes sabi ni Google. But with traffic, 1 oras. Kasi nung nagpunta din kami ng Ubud, akala namin 1 hour and 30 minutes lang. Tapos parang 2 hours mahigit yung biyahe namin kasi traffic. Si Dan at saka si Ayla lumabas guys. Nag-mini-mart kasi yung mga bata hindi pa nag-dinner. So bigyan namin sila ng snack habang naghihintay ng dinner. Dinner tayo pagdating na ng fam. Dito na sila guys! Tadang! Welcome! Hi! Ang dilim, di ba? Ayla, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Oy, bless Tito Ninong. Bless Tito Ninong. Bless. Bless Tito Ninong. Di ka ba mo bless? Turuin ninyo bless. Turuan nyo mag-bless. Thank you. Thanks.
Hello.
Awain yung room. Lola! Lola! Ayun na lumapit.
Nag-close eyes na.
Si Ayla nag-close ang eyes. Surprise. Now she's squishy. Oh no! Close your eyes. Oh no. Maybe wait,
Hello.
maybe wait. Wait, not yet, not yet, not yet. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Not yet, not yet. They will get it, okay? They will get it. Just wait, okay? Is that Lola? Did you bless? Did you bless? No. Ano man ah? Basta sa puto dyan, isang gawin sa kinsa. Pinali mo kapuya ng taan. Hadlog ka ni Buboy eh. Nagkunagitang maso. Kumusta inyong biyahe, Kel?
Okay naman.
Layo kayo. Kapoy kayo. Mahaba na biyahe.
Iguli na mo kay. Mas kapoy na.
Kaya taas kayo inyong layover sa Singapore. Pag lag-lag lang sa mo dito. Hey, it's Lola, Nek! It's Lola!
Koy ko, malong
Lola!
excited na kita nga rin ba? Dili na ito.
Ayla, do you wanna sleep in Lola's room tonight? No. How about Tito's room? Tito's room? Lala ma! Go, go! Oy, careful! Watch! Si Ayla, guys. Sabi namin may surprise, nakapikit na. Just wait for the surprise. Tito's getting it. Do you wanna sit down? Yeah, sit down for now. Sit down. Ate, tapos hindi pala nadala. Hindi pala nadala ang surprise. Ang tagal pa nahanap para namang milyones ang halaga. Oh no! Ayla, ready?
Ready?
Surprise! Oh my gosh, ate. How about Arlo? One is for Arlo, okay? Yeah, okay, give it to Arlo. One is for Arlo.
Ah, cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, thank you.
Hello.
Duck. Look. Duck.
It's a duck.
Chicken. Go, Arlo. Chicken, what's that?
Papa.
Huh? What is it? Chicken. Go. Yay!
Kadung guys, ano surprise sa akin? Mura sa pilikat sila.
Nakahanap na pala kami ng kakainan. Dito na nga si ate, oh. Ang ating food. Hi, thank you. Yep. Perfect, thank you. Thanks very much. Dito na din yung mga drinks namin. In-orderan ko si mama ng cocktail. Lychee martini. Nandun sila sa kung saan-saan lang. Nandun si Dan. Sa may mga isda. Dinala niya si Arlo dun. Kasi si Arlo ayaw lumapit sa kanila. Si Mark nandito naghuhugas. Nandun si Marlo, nandun si mama. Pwede kang lumangoy dyan, guys. You can swim in that pool. Ang cute, diba? Mayroon pang floaty naman laki. Dito yung nating nachos. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kaliit ang nachos. Maliliit na chips. Ang bango ng spaghetti carbonara. Sayaw pa. Yeah, they just like carbonara. Look at them. Masti. Yeah. You like octopus? Try one.
A chip?
Chips? Yeah.
What is that?
Thank you. Yeah.
And one barbecue.
Barbecue na love. Thank you.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Nakabalik na kami. Tapos na kami kumain. Busog na kami. Gabing-gabi na, guys. Happy na naman si Dudong, oh. Antok kasi yan, uy. Oh no! You're squishy! It's okay, don't cry. Oh, nahilak na naman. Iyak na naman. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ayaw na niya lumapit kay Lola. It's okay. Come on. Look. Ayaw, mama.